Exercise number 1, lunges. Let's fire it up. Step forward, drop into a strong lunge, and push back with power. Keep your chest up, core tight, and stay controlled. Feel that burn building, keep moving. Exercise number 2, heel glute bridge. Hit the floor and drive through your heels. Lift your hips high and squeeze your glutes at the top. Stay steady, stay strong. Make every rep count. Exercise number 3, one leg calf raise. Balance up and push tall through your toes. Slow, strong, and controlled. Keep that core tight and rise with power. Light burn, strong gains. Exercise number 4, sumo squat. Feet wide, toes out, drop low. Push through your heels and keep your chest up. Feel those inner thighs working. Stay powerful, stay focused. Exercise number 5, explosive jump squat. Time to go beast mode. Squat down and explode upward with full energy. Land soft, jump strong, and push your limits. Leave everything here.